The holiday season is more than just decoration. It's about creating moments of joy, calm, and connection. So, at Craft and Canvas, every ornament is crafted with love, care, and a touch of mindfulness, reminding of us slow down and cherish the beauty around us. From sparkling Xmas trees of handmade ornaments, each piece tells a story, turning your home into a place of warmth and celebration. And here's the magic: when you choose mindfulness decorations, you are not just beautifying your space, you are also supporting a growing community of creativity and small business. So, the festival of decoration with intentions. Celebrate the meaning, let your ornaments shine as brightly as your heart. So craft and canvas gives you a very beautiful designs like this. So give you ideas like this where business growth meets mindfulness, and our beauty writer gives you a very healthy and mindfulness idea. So a short catchy added style 3. In this video I'm gonna show you very beautiful and interesting ideas of festival. So warm holiday story. So close your eyes for a moment and picture this: twinkling lights gently glowing, the soft scent of pine filling the air, and ornaments that don't just decorate your space but tell the story of love, grow your business, grow someone designed, family, and togetherness. Xmas isn't just a season, it's a feeling, a moment to pause and reflect, and a chance to create beauty around us. Every moment we hang as a meaning, maybe it's a star reminding us of guidance, or a handmade angel representing hope. Decorations are more than objects, they are symbols in our fast moving world. Showing down to create or choose meaningful ornaments is an act of mindfulness. It's about being present, savoring the lights, joys, and turning our homes into sanctuaries. So, this festival, let your decorations shine. Let them shine with mindfulness, sparkle, and creativity, and spread joy in every home they reach. Whether you are decorating your own tree or growing a small business, remember it's not about perfection, it's about presence, love, and the magic of creating beauty that lasts for beyond the season. Believe ornaments are not just decorations, they are memories in the making, and we invite you to be a part of the story this holiday. So, hope you like these designs and ideas. We are trying to bring for you best designs, best ideas, best tips. We gives you a special images like that because it is celebration of presence, joy, and meaning. And today we will explore how decorations and ornaments can bring not only beauty into our home but mindfulness into our hearts, and even growth into our business. And this is the time to grow your business. Think about the very first ornament you remember. Maybe it was a shiny red ball that caught the light, or a paper star you made in school, carefully glued together with glitter that still sparkle faintly in your memory. Decorations are not just objects, they are reminders of childhood wonder, of loved ones gathered around, of moments we hold dear. When we decorate, we are not just filling a space, we are creating atmosphere, telling a star, and inviting peace into our homes. This act itself is a mindful ritual. chance to pause, to be international, and to embrace the joy of the season. Have you ever noticed how time seems to slow when you are making something with your hands? Whether it's painting a bauble, tying a bow, or arranging pine cones into a wreath, there's a rhythm to it. The mind settles, the heart softens. Present in the moment, creating is a mindfulness. Being fully present in the moment, creating ornaments becomes more than a task, it's become a form of meditation. The gentle brush stroke, the colorful placement, the careful placement of beads, the soft wrapping of ribbons, every step is a reminder to